Want to install the PayPal app on your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to download it and get started in just a few minutes. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type PayPal. Look for the official PayPal app in the search results and tap on it. You can confirm it's the correct app by checking the publisher name and the number of downloads. Now, tap Install and wait for the app to download and install on your device. This usually only takes a short moment. When the installation is finished, tap Open to launch the app. You can also find it later from your app drawer or home screen. After opening PayPal, sign in with your existing account details. If you're new to PayPal, tap Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to send money, receive payments, check your balance, and manage your account right from your phone.